And then, so what was happening with that sound?
Don't know. I just heard it again.
Shut up.
No, I just made a pull, and I only hear it when I let it off. Then it goes away. You
when
heard
you
it.
let off? It's as loud? It's as loud?
Yes, it sounded identical to me.
So it's...
That's how bad it sounded.
Yeah, it's not like a sound that will carve itself out.
That's
you know, like, okay, it'll go away.
Yes!
I mean, it'll carve itself out eventually.
Bro!
No,
this
dude.
thing sounds
Dude,
straight.
it sounds like... It sounds it sounds like that.
Parts guy, ladies and gentlemen.
Jay?
Oh, wait. Okay. Come on, mother! Very funny. Oh, put on the thing? That's me, on my back. I have a habit of putting it on top instead of the floor. This looks like something's ready to get put on it, doesn't it?
I work at a place with a car that's on Forza.
Dude, Will, this is one of 3 PO Jimmy Gerlin.
Oh.
And it says open immediately. It's still closed up. Let's go, dude.
Yes. Did y'all call Jimmy?
No.
Oh.
Does that look normal?
It looks like a ProCharger. That's new.
Wait, Will, we can show it right now?
Yes.
No way, dude.
Yes,
You're sure?
We're gonna show it.
Let's run it back. Does that look normal?
It looks like a ProCharger. That's new. All right.
They gave us a roll of tape. With no tape. Just the roll.
Just the roll.
Already opening ProCharger boxes. Anything goes up missing is y'all's ass.
We know, Anthony.
There's always something. There's always something missing.
There's
Anthony.
always something.
You know that. I saw a video.
Yeah. Oh my God. What are y'all doing?
It said open immediately.
What are you doing?
You have to do what the box tells
And what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do with the box?
I had it overnighted from Japan.
So he brings a table over to put all the shit on.
Hey, everybody fucking relax. Where's the little cup that holds the brake pan? Anyone?
Right here. This?
No, it's like a little pitcher.
Oh.
Use this fucking. That's not for the trash.
Yeah, it is. I thought that's why you brought it over here.
It's not for the trash. Look, you hit it with the sauce, right?
Magic trick.
Nice little wipe down. Get all nice and clean. No contaminants. So nice.
Except you're gonna have little red fibers.
Oh. Hey, I'm not done. Now, once you get all the nasty stuff in the red rag,
Okay.
not yet. You get the lint-free, disposable.
I got you one better.
We try and be as good. I'm not gonna use a brand new microfiber, bro. Come on. That's for cleaning cars, not cleaning tables.
That's on the engine room table. That great hall? Oh yeah, let's get the cloth.
Dude, we got a problem.
What?
Look at this. Are you done?
Yeah. Dan's going to get the cloth.
Ho, 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 ho. Ho, ho, ho.
Hold on. Hold on.
Hey, can you turn off that radio, Chris? Please.
Hold on.
Hold on. Big girl here.
Because I have no idea what that nun.
Oh my lord. Oh my jeebus. Big, just get rid of whatever is stuck to me.
That's the biggest exhaust I've ever seen.
That is a massive exhaust. Holy balls. Go ProCharger on that one.
That's all that was in there?
Let's make it look a little bit nicer.
Yes, dude. Let's see how nice this looks. Let's check out the weave. Let's check out the weave. I like how they protected those corners.
Yes.
They got lucky there.
It's currently speaking.
We need to take some packing lessons from Kong.
Did you just hate on Tom?
No, dude.
No, Kong's like the world's greatest shipper.
Whoa.
That's pretty sick.
This might hit the internet in a second.
Look at these people. Look at
It,
this.
it comes with a...
Look at this unit right here.
Oh, this is real. C8 wiener cover.
Ooh.
Wow. That had its own box.
That's gonna be sick looking.
Oh, especially on Jimmy's.
Yeah.
There you go, Chris. I was like, wrong end.
Got 'em.
Wrong end.
Very light.
Very.
Maybe like a pound.
Not even.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bravo. Bravo,
Yeah.
ProCharger.
Yep.
Hey, well, let's get to the real meat and potatoes.
What pushes this thing?
Yeah. What's actually gonna make it do
Here,
stuff?
don't lose that.
No sir.
What size is that?
So this is a P1x blower.
So all this looks normal P1X
This looks normal P1x.
until you get to the rear.
Yeah, it's just already got the adjustable where you can change pulley sizes. Of course, we're going with the smallest.
And the bracketry is all gonna obviously be different for clearance issues. Where does it even go?
Yeah.
Do you even know where it goes?
Yeah, where's it going?
It's gonna go back here. No one's ever done this. Leave me alone.
No.
The pamphlet.
Ooh.
This is from Lingenfelter, timing recharge controller.
All right. Hey, I don't think we're gonna chunk that belt.
No.
That looked good
That
on my
looks like a
go-kart.
timing belt off a Hyundai.
Unchunkable. Yeah.
Whoa.
Okay. I see how they're doing it.
Extension shaft.
All right. So we've never.
It extends the shaft.
It extends the shaft.
You like what you see, Frankie?
Rear
gusta
bearing
mucho.
bracket bag black.
All right.
That's gonna hold it.
Hold the blower.
Hold the blower. We can just, yeah, we don't. We have our,
Watch my tools, dog.
we have our own. They individually wrap every single thing in here. Expansion tank.
Ooh.
The tank's ass. More unnecessariness. Oh, this feels large.
Okay.
Math.
It's gonna go where? Right there.
Somewhere in here.
That's all I'm saying.
There's one in there.
Oh, I know. And this one? Oh, yeah.
Ooh.
Wonderful
some
pump
harnesses.
hardware. Front bearing bracket bag. That's just, yeah.
Liquid the air intercooling.
Chris.
Throw that, Chris. Let me grab. Catch, Chris.
Gotcha, Chris.
No.
We lost Chris today.
Okay.
This is
now
the
I see
extended.
how.
This is the extension off the extension.
Yeah.
My goodness.
Holy.
Look at how long that is.
You never had that
That's a jack shaft.
Bro, that's pretty sick.
I've never had that problem. Sorry, Frankie. I would love to say I have.
There's the
Hey, we're not chunking that guy. Maybe that guy, but not this guy.
Dude,
massive.
What the hell?
I remember when I first saw the mid-engine, I was like, there's no way they're gonna be able to fit the belt on that thing as close as it is to the fucking firewall, unless they do a crazy.
What's your opinion, sir?
Yeah,
What's your opinion?
unless they do a crazy.
You get to put it together.
Are we making one of them propeller prop boats?
You have the honor.
Dude, look at how long.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Where's that going?
Asking.
Apparently it runs down one side or the other.
It's just like, remember, it's just like the C6s.
It's like a weird Magnuson.
Way longer.
Yeah, like on the Trailblazer.
Just like the, yes.
Trailblazer.
Yeah, go look at the Trailblazer.
And here's
Same
the
thing.
piece that goes.
Go look at Trailblazer.
I'm missing this pulley and belt right here. But,
Okay.
yeah, jack shaft. So it comes from the front, serpentine, all the way back here. And that's where the actual blower is driven off of. It's like a little drive shaft for the blower. Keeps you from having to have your intake back here.
And it's gonna be mounted on up top like that, probably.
Similar. Okay, we're
Why
assuming.
didn't-
This
why
is
didn't
all
they make-
assumptions. This is all assumptions.
There better
at this
be a
point.
carbon fiber shroud on that.
There better be some carbon fiber instructions with this thing. That's what there better be.
Did y'all find any electronics?
Yeah, right here.
It's only
Retard
carbon
controller. Timing and retard controller.
Is that all it is?
Just whatever is in this box.
We have another table somewhere.
Yeah, so this is what we did in 2020. Same exact thing. Timing controller, like from a C7 to that C8, and then the first one turbo C8, just to pull 4 degrees of timing, or whatever I wanted to do. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
This thing does the same
All in
thing.
favor of 2 more white tables? Aye.
We need room,
Aye.
Yeah.
We need
Oh,
room
there's
to
the
put
other
'em.
one.
but yeah.
2 more white tables coming right up.
Look at that intake
Fuel
manifold.
rails.
So where's the math go?
It has a. I think that's it. Yep.
I know. Do we know where this goes?
No clue yet. Somewhere. I'm
I want
assuming.
to know if it's in the.
Somewhere in here.
It's definitely in the charge system, so it's going to see boost. It's not. And then, do we know what the air filter looks like?
No, the throttle will go on there.
So they did it this size because you go measure a stock. No, watch. Go measure a stock air box, or go measure our intercooler. That's a lot of stuff, bro. Dude, are you kidding me?
Yeah, that
cool.
thing is.
Bro, look how light it is.
Yeah. Even the intake cover's the same. The intake manifold cover.
That's nuts. He wanted it all apart. Like, dude, we spent an extra like $5,000
on carbon
fiber because he wants it to look cool.
Oh, they don't all come with it?
No,
What is
this is an
that?
extra $5,000. Literally just because. Like, it could all be black, you know what I mean? It still look cool. But he wants it to look super
Extra.
pimp.
Look cool if these were cut out.
Yeah.
Baby filter.
Yeah, if we want to. So we're gonna have to plug that.
Oh.
Okay, so we did get everything.
This is worth it.
So yeah, if we do want to put our port injection on it for more fuel, we got everything we need. So yeah, we'll have to put the rails on it for now though, and then just dummy injectors until we add all the other stuff to it.
If you want.
Are we allowed to post any pictures of this or no?
I don't think so.
And we can't even
But what about
say.
vague ones?
You might want to tell Chris
Hey,
before he finishes
yeah,
the Snapchat.
Yeah, don't post it online, Chris.
Don't see it real well, but good night. They are beautiful. More carbon fiber here. And of course, as I mentioned, this is...
Go, Fred. Go back over there.
Look. Is that coming from the dry sump tank?
We have a instruction manual.
So nice.
This needs to be cut out ASAP.
Yeah. Like someone needs to sit here with a Dremel and cut this
Yeah,
out
yeah.
now.
Yep,
Maybe LEDs behind it.
I'm okay with that. Subscribe, comment below, let us know what you think of this ProCharger for the C8. What's it gonna make?
Oh, I couldn't tell you.
What's it gonna make? What's it gonna make?
What is a good number, Will? Because you're all up in the forums. I'm not allowed to discuss that number.
You know what I'm saying? Without giving it away.
Or what would you expect it to? What kind of results would you expect it to see?
I would expect anything over 650 wheel. The price point that we're selling it at, I think it's great. I think it's a perfect option. You're not spending the incredible extra markup to get a Z06. You've already got your car, and you can actually be happy with it. I think that's the most important thing.
There you go.
I think for how much we're selling it for, it's perfect.
Hey, what are you doing here, dude?
Why do you want it?
Hey, close this out.
Hey,
Like, comment, subscribe. What do you...
Like, comment, subscribe for everything else that's happening at the shop, and we'll see you guys later.